Red Rock. Friday meat raffles, Sunday Joker poker. Interesting. Oh wow, the water is very pretty actually. Now I'm looking for the place. I think it's down there. Okay, so you turn here.
Let's go park, Mom.
So we got a post office there. So where is the office? I think that office is here somewhere. I'm just going to park. Down there. I'm just going to park. I'll be back, yeah?
Yeah.
Hi. So everything's good. You keep going straight. So the beach is just around here. You can fish anyway, she said. You can even put crab pots if you wanted crab pots.
I can hear the ocean over there.
Yeah. So we're in cabin 2C and she gave me batteries because she said that the batteries on our remote are a little bit like funky. So I just got to change it. I didn't even pay now. I think you pay on the way out. Or she'll call me anyway. If she wants.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mom.
Hey?
Let us give me lolly.
Yeah.
Taki lolly, Dad.
Yes, you're welcome.
She goes, you really haven't been here before. I said, because I asked her where the beach is and she told me. There's a really nice lookout on the beach. She said, yeah, hubby can fish anywhere. He's got crab pots. He puts them down too. So they're pretty easy out here. She's like, oh, keep going. Hang on, wait. Yeah, go down here.
That's a,
Because this is the surf club. She said something like that.
that's a grandma. Yeah, that's a grandpa too. White wall. That's white.
Okay, then.
Okay, we're in cabin 2.
This one?
Yeah.
Is there a driveway?
Yeah, that's just here. Welcome, Island family.
Wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
Yeah, island boy there.
How we doing?
Yes, man.
So guys, we are here at a holiday park. They call it Reflections Holiday Park.
Yeah.
And anyway, we're here for a little tour for the weekend.
Yeah.
A weekend away. So join us, guys.
And this place is Red Rock.
Red Rock.
Red
yeah.
Rock.
Red Rock Reflections Park, guys.
Yeah, man. So
yeah, come on and join us. We're going to show you a little tour of the room at the moment.
Yeah.
We've never been here before. I've never been here before. It's in the middle of nowhere, really.
Yeah.
It's like kind of in the middle of nowhere.
For
But
real.
yeah, we'll show you on the map.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, come on in. It's a bit bright.
Yeah, this is the cabin, guys. So,
Come, Island,
hold on.
come.
That's my
Here we go.
said.
Hey, Bobby.
Island wants to go swimming now.
Yeah.
You like a sock.
Yeah, so this is the entry of the cabin, guys. Babe's gonna show us around.
Oh, sorry. I'm doing the others. Okay, come.
We just drop in with stuff.
Yeah, we just dropped everything here. This is a kitchen.
Yeah.
It's a very small cabin, but it's comfy. Bedroom.
Yeah,
Bedrooms.
like, how many bunk beds are these? 4?
4 of them. 4 bunk beds, guys. And then
Yeah, I can
got
sleep
the
there.
main master room
I
here,
can sleep there.
which has like charging ports to the side.
Yeah.
And there's light and control and fan operation in bedroom. So it's a bit hot at the moment in here.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, and then you've got like a wardrobe. And just some cleaning products.
Hey, look that.
more just stuff there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so join us guys, we're just going to do a little tour today, and then after, you know, we're going to go fishing and swimming and all that sort of stuff. Oh, that light's
Yeah.
better.
Island find the
Good
lights.
on you, Island.
That's still lights.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, really
You're
lights.
showing us? You show us. Tell everybody. What are we doing?
Look, it's a bedroom.
This is the bedroom.
And that's light.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you can make up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's just our mom.
Is it?
Yes.
Daddy can have it. Hey guys, and this is the bathroom here.
It's so
It's very
light.
tiny.
Yeah, you can have shower and wash your hair. So look at this. You wash your hands.
The shrine.
Yeah, you
And the
wash your
shower.
hands. And shower.
Very simple cabin,
And
guys.
toilet. And Sonic Galaxy.
And which bed are you going to sleep in?
This bed.
One on the bottom.
Yeah.
Good night, Island.
Good night.
Do you want Mummy and Daddy to sleep up here too?
Yeah, I can climb.
You can climb. You sure you're ready for that?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, you always climb at the park, eh? You've been catching your practice. Can you make it though?
Oh, it's too high.
Yes.
Nothing's going to happen, boy. All right, let's get ready for...
This way, Bobby.
Oh, this way.
So here we are. Maybe I should put it on the... This is a very calm area, like an harbor. We have kayaks here.
Dada,
Yes.
Jamaican tacos.
Raining tacos. Oh, look at these babes, like a swing with the whisk. Island, wanna try this? Like a Tarzan here.
Looks like a swing.
Look, swing song.
No, it's so scary.
So scary. Oh, this tree is amazing. Oh, it's a separate tree. It's like a whisk grow on the tree.
It's Cappuccino.
It's beautiful. It's definitely, it's like a harbor, but the water is running like a river. Yeah. Oh wow. You know, for some reason I thought it was sunnier. It's like rocks and oysters down there. Very sharp on the rocks. It's like a reef, eh? It says here.
Come on, guys.
The birds up there.
I'm going to touch the water.
Beautiful. I wonder if it's cold.
Go there.
No.
Do the honors.
Taste if water cold in a car. As a yard man, you know, when you have to play with cold water. Don't feel too bad. Cold still, if you touch my body, a different story.
Mommy, I can go away.
Okay. Which way?
I want to find a chill spot.
Yeah, we're going to go to the beach side. Let's go to the beach side and check out that area.
Yeah.
At least can you fish here though? Yeah, you can fish here.
Mm.
She said you can fish anywhere.
Yeah. And if you catch something good, I say just look shallow like.
Yeah.
Not like nothing much of the.
Yeah. Come on, let's go to the beach.
Let's go inside.
Dad's just going to get bait up here.
Go fishing.
for fishing.
Hopefully the weather is good anyway.
Maybe you can get up early in the morning and walk.
These trees are amazing the way they grow. Wicked.
Yummy, yummy, yum, 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 yummy, yum, 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 yummy, yum, yum,
There's a
yum.
bait shop. Well, I guess.
Takeaway shopping.
Yeah, they sell everything. You can get Yes Island.
Honey, go in Jamaica.
Yeah, very soon, Bobby.
Oh, Baba.
Good day, mate. Where are your baits at?
Oh, that's sorry.
Your bait.
Right here.
Oh, yeah? Thank you.
Yes, Island. Are you gonna go for a swim first?
I'll have to take them back up and then
Yeah, it's fine. It's on the way, I think.
Ice cream.
probably prawns and
Ice cream.
or mullet fillet. Gonna grab a mullet fillet, guys. Prawns. This is squid. Oh, nice. Abba Baba. I got friends and money for the bits.
Well, bubble bill.
What you getting, baby?
Nothing. Oh, probably just bread for the cabin.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's out of date.
Oh, mildew. Yeah, very.
Oh, the date.
Oh,
That's why they put it up.
okay. Oh, so it's free. Oh, okay. Anyway.
Free.
So something about free. Oh, that's good, yeah.
That and we need bread.
Yeah.
You gotta eat the ice cream first.
Oh, yes, please. Which one? They're not coming to get them all the same? Yeah. Then they can't argue. Yes. Perfect.
Beautiful.
They don't have bread. Like fresh bread.
Yeah, I guess that was the last of their.
Of the bread.
Yeah. Have some egg and we have some bread and the butter. Yeah.
Come on, Bobby.
Just waiting.
No.
Eat what you have, Island.
We've got candies in the car, remember?
Wait, wait. So we're gonna drop these off, guys, and then make a walk to see the beach.
To the sea.
Yeah, so stick around.
Might bring the drone too because it's nice sun setting.
True.
It'd be good to.
Oh, so there's a shortcut there and you can walk there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, straight ahead. For some reason I thought it was around this area. Wow. Pretty. Your love, it gives me fever.
Love it.
This is
Love
scamp.
you, oh no.
Camp inside is huge. You love him like tequila. Intoxicated. Oh my god, even Island is singing this song. Oh, they have solar set up, these guys are
More
crazy.
ice cream.
This is a solar, look
Oh,
here.
yeah.
They have solar.
Mommy,
This one.
let's go shopping Saturday.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way.
Can hear the ocean in this direction.
Ready?
Can hear the ocean in this direction.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Red Rock.
more ice cream, please.
Okay, later.
More ice cream.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Hey, you just had one. Come on, relax now.
Oh, have ice cream. Oh,
Ready?
more ice cream.
Oh, alright. You can go fishing on that one.
You can?
Like, kind of like what YBS uses. Come up front, Island.
I want more.
Oh, that must be the walk there.
Come on. I'm liking in front of us, not behind. Come on.
Alright. This is the walkway, guys. I'm gonna go up this trail here. Warning, swimming not advised. No lifeguard or life-saving, dangerous currents. No. That's what it says. These places we have to look out for snake, guys. You don't know, you never know. Culture of Australians on a whole is that they love to travel around, eh?
Yeah, a lot of people I've spoken to, they'd rather travel around Australia before they travel around the world.
Yeah.
I've spoken to many people, like especially like old retired people that are looking at retiring soon, and they want to just travel around Australia. So they buy like a caravan or whatever, and they go around like that. For them would probably be the most economical way, I guess.
And that's why you have so many camping sites around Australia everywhere.
Yeah, because that's what they like.
Yeah.
Few beers and head to the beds.
Yeah.
The bedside, basically.
Get on the piss.
Yeah, get on the piss, as they say.
As these are crazy.
There must be like the water tank, concrete water tank.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Good business too. You own a property and you turn it into a caravan park. Eh?
Yeah. But I'm guessing that these places don't always be full. Maybe I'll
like
have to ask.
Maybe like holiday time, really.
Yeah, like holiday season.
True.
Or like when parents can actually get time off work to take their children out.
True. Yeah.
They pick me.
It's beautiful, guys. Birds everywhere.
We're good now. Let's go wait for Dad now.
So here we are. Might be a bit windy, guys, so apologize for the audio, but this is the beach. Oh, look at that rock to your left, baby. Oh, okay. That's an island there, way out. Yeah.
He has no fear whatsoever. He will just go for it.
Oh, you reckon that?
Sit down and do it. Come this way. Face the other way so Mummy can see you.
Okay.
No, face that way over there. Around there. Go around, go around, go around. Listen, look, Mum. What are you doing? Gidgy boss. Gidgy. Island boy. Gidgy boss and island boy.
Look, Island, look. You go like this, look. Oh, it's not coming out. We're supposed to make a star.
Oh.
Yeah. Didn't work.
Gotta build. Good luck, you, Mr. Boy. Having a. Turn this way. Oh no. What's going on?
That's puzzle.
Daddy's burying you in there now.
That's puzzle. That's puzzle.
Where's Sonic?
Where's your feet?
Where's your legs?
Where's your toes?
Whoa!
Let's go say get that.
You wanna go again?
Oh no, that's puzzle.
You lay back, Island boy. Ah, lie down. I can see your little toes. It's moments like these, guys, where you can just cherish and remember the good, you know, the good times that you have with your children. It's a little break away from home. It's nothing too luxury. It's nothing too extravagant. Just simple life. With everything that is like going on around the world right now, you know, we have to give these moments and, you know, remember them and cherish them as much as we can. Yeah. Island, come. Come here, come. Did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day? That's good. Thank you, boss. I love you.
Love you too.
Mwah. Okay, ready? We're going to tip it down. Tip it down. Ready? Go this way. Tip it this way. The tread goes. Now, keep going. Get it all out. All of it.
Let me help you.
You help me. Yeah, you got the better one. Now, you're going to have chicken nuggets? You don't want chicken nuggets? No?
Yes.
Or you want something else?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? That's not dinner though.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Okay, ready? Let's start again. Island, come on, help mommy.
Dada, I want more water.
Shark's in there.
There's not coming.
The shark's not coming for you. Hey, listen. There's sharks in there. Big shark. And you know what else is in there? Big whale. Have you seen a whale? You know how big the whale looks like? Yeah. Yeah. What does it do?
Like this.
Yeah, this is a little boy like you, and you know its mouth is bigger than your whole body. So you're going to fit perfectly inside the whale's mouth. And you're going to be a nice dinner for it. Yes. Yes. Yes, Bobby.
So we are leaving here for the evening, going up this sandbank. Oh, I think that's them coming. I'll bring it for them. I'll just leave it. Yeah, I think. Island, look. Slippers.
What's this?
Yeah. What a, oh, I remember seeing these before. These little things. Ow.
Come on. Here. Good. Other one. No, island. Island.
What's wrong with you?
I think we're good.
It's so
Do you want to rinse your legs?
Yeah.
Very low tide.
Yeah, it's like you can walk the whole of that here.
Yeah, you can probably.
Which way you reckon?
Keep going straight.
Oh, like a whole to me it's like an island. Yeah, it becomes an island when the tide is low.
It's crazy. So the barbecues are down there for tomorrow, and they've got tables and chairs, which is good.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna have a barbecue. Now we're going out for dinner. Hopefully they have some nice food. Yeah. Babe's driving, because you already know. Maddie is gonna have one drink. Oh, you can actually walk. We could have walked.
This is where
This is how it, yeah. So maybe you can have a drink.
Yeah, it's very
It's like really close. No way. Yeah, but it's okay. God. Oh well, it doesn't matter.
Here we are.
You love dog, Dad?
Yes, I do.
You love
It was so
Cat
close, we
Mom.
literally could have walked.
Yeah,
I
literally.
thought it was like,
Come this way.
like really far away.
Yeah. So this must be the hub for most of the
People.
yeah. Everybody come here and eat.
Seems like.
Yeah. Island leading though, yeah. Red Rock Bowling and Recreation Club.
Seems like they got like meat raffles and stuff tonight.
Yeah. Is this the place where the old people play the golf thing?
Bowling balls.
Yeah.
Bowling. Burnt smell garlic bread, guys.
Yeah. Hot? Is it hot?
Cheesy garlic, guys.
Yeah. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. It's sunny here.
talkative. How old is he? How old are you?
Happy.
3. Ah, sweetie, okay. Alright, that's right. Yeah.
That's not a headshot.
Bye. Hey, pardon me.
Hi, me.
What a boy belch big.
Hi, me.
We are eating now. Chippies.
Kind of that is not
Show me
rude.
the belly. Oh,
Oh
belly full.
my gosh.
Belly full, man.
Belly big, like
Yeah,
mommy.
Look on that crime scene.
Oh yeah, I'll go get
Look
it.
on that. Our food time now.
Where's the little paper? Where's the paper with? Alright, come on. Come.
So this is our meal, guys. Yeah, our piece of steak there, and we have schnitzel over there. Schnitzel. I can't pronounce it good at times. So yeah, that is it, guys. Nice. We are gonna dig in and out because we're hungry like a dog.
Enjoy your ice cream. Oh, you eat quite good. You did, didn't you? Yeah, very good.
Yet everything.
Very done. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Yeah, good job. Here you go, ice cream. Yummy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. How it tastes?
Caramel's in it.
You like it?
Marshmallows in it, yeah.
That's what's left. Crime scene. Yeah. Shell the food. We're leaving here. We're pretty much like the last people here.
The last customers.
So guys,
That was great.
yeah, this is where we're gonna end the video.
Yep.
So hope you all enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
Thanks, guys. Big up yourselves if you got this far. It's getting
Island,
far.
slow down.
Island. Big up yourself, guys.
Yeah, man.
Always take care now.
Yeah, man.
We
Bless
on
up.
a roll now.
Let's go now. Yeah.
Go.
Bless up.